Mukbang Mermaid. Mukbang Mermaid.
I am Mukbang Mermaid, and I mukbang that way. Bubbles! You have entered the courtroom of Judge Mukbang Mermaid. The food is real, the drink is real, and I am very real. Now let's get to saying our grace and put this food in its place. Dear God, it is I, Mukbang Mermaid, your best friend till the end. Today I've prepared some down-home green beans. They better be so good, they make me scream. They better be a dream, not a nightmare. Or I'ma tell Abner he looks like a hare. No, that's a rabbit. A mare. That's a horse, right? Horse face, Abner. Anywho, God, I love you. Amen. Bubbles, you know what time it is. It's time to get it in, and I'm starving like Marvin. I'm hungry, okay? Abner made me some down-home green beans. The man's been watching this show on the Food Network, Down Home with the Neelys. I tell you, he's been making some good food lately. That soul food meal he cooked, he got those recipes from Down Home with the Neelys. Wonderful family, I tell you. Give me a second. Woo! So I'm excited to get into these beans. As for me, I've been watching Judge Judith Shingling. Judge Judith Shineling. Judge Judy for short. I tell you, that woman is a beast in the courtroom. She don't play no games. And you know what? I'm gonna start acting more like Judge Judy. Yeah. Where's my food, Bird? Abner. Bird. Bird's kind of like her sidekick. And Abner's kind of like my bird. Yeah, that's right. Anyway, Bubs, let me get a taste of these beans really quickly. Take a look, Bubbles. I've never had green beans. Do you like green beans? Abner said if I like them, there'll be a item on our Thanksgiving meal. Let me get into them. Once again, they're delicious. But what would Judge Judith say? I'm talking! Abner, this is my courtroom. Now the green beans, they're okay. But they need a little more, what do they need a little more of, Muck? Well, they really don't need a little more of anything. They taste delicious. But what would Judge Judith say? They need a little more paprika. Now this is my courtroom. Yeah, something like that. Anywho, Bubbles, I tell you, I've been watching her all day. She is very, very, very smart. And beautiful. I was kind of going for a Judge Judy inspired look today. How did I do? These are so good. He's got some sliced garlic in here. Pepper. I see some sesame seeds. Bubs, can you see this? Let me take it out of the bowl. Give me a second. Let me move my gravel. Give me a second, Bubs. Come on! What are you putting in this stuff? Super glue? Put that over there. Now we're cooking, right, Bubs? Let me get some of my salt water. That's good. So tell me, Bubbles, do you like green beans? Is this an item that's on your menu for Thanksgiving? I've been eating so many interesting meals since I've been up above out of the Atlantic, I tell you. I really love it. Got like a string in it. Is that why they call it string beans? And I ain't never seen no beans like this. Hope it don't give me gas, cause I get gassy when I eat beans. They're good though, very tender. And Abner said, the Neely said that it's, very difficult to get them nice and tender. So I should give him a pat on the back for getting them nice and tender. Those are really, really good. Oh, he's even got some onions in it. He said this was a Southern recipe. Bubbles, what makes a recipe Southern? I'm interested to know. Like, what's the difference between Northern green beans and Southern green beans, right? Hey, are you enjoying Mukbang Mermaid? Well, if so, it's time for you to put the verdict in. Give me a like. Subscribe. Hit that notification bell for all new updates. Leave me a comment down below. Share. I love you so much. And don't ever forget, nothing is impossible. Go after your dreams. Now let's get back to the show. Hope he's got some more, cause these are delicious. And I imagine it's a vegetable, so it's pretty healthy, right? I'm just kind of stacking it up. Bubbles, I do apologize. Have a bite? What's that? You prefer yours steamed with a slice of butter on top? Okay. That was a big bite. It's got like a little kick to it. He knows I cannot do spicy. It's not too much, but it's a little kick. Anywho, Bubbles, do you like Judge Judy? I love it, I tell you. Are there any other judge shows out there that are worth the watch? Tell me. I tell you, Judge Judy doesn't play any games. She keeps it real, She's very knowledgeable. And she's not afraid to say what's on her mind. Kind of like me, This was good. Hey, Babs. What's your favorite show on Food Network? I like Emerald Lagasse, bam! And I like is it Mato Mario? Bobby Flay, Cooking with Bobby Flay. Well, those green beans made a mermaid scream. What's the verdict, you say? They're a hit. A green mean screaming hit. I'll never tell Abner that, though. I'll tell him they were all right. They were good. Well, Abner, those green beans were a scream. Now put your hands behind your back. You're getting arrested. Bird, get him out of my courtroom now. Woo! Bubbles, if you would, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I love you so much. Thank you for joining me at the other end of the table. And let's do it again, okay? I love you and you love me. And we're a great big happy family. I love you, Bub. I'm gonna go see if there's any more of those green beans. Abner's probably gone at Bojangles right about now. Or Wendy's or Lowe's or Home Depot. Now that was good. I need some more green beans, please. Hey, Bird, you want some green beans, buddy? Hey, this is my courtroom. You can have whatever you like.
Mukbang Mermaid. Mukbang Mermaid.